Hey, hi, this is Kirubakaran Rajendran. Welcome to another video with Trading with Groww. In this video, we're going to talk about how to increase trading accuracy of any strategy. So, if you are a person who's now trying to increase the overall winning accuracy of your system, this video is definitely going to help you out. Trading is all about handling the emotions. So, it is no more than the complexity of trading strategies, how the overall trading strategy is designed. It is primarily depend upon the overall success of a trader is primarily depend upon the trader who's trading the trading strategy. So if the trader is not having the right mindset, definitely it is hard to make profits out of trading. So most of the traders basically they wanted to be right most of the time. So whether they make profits or not, they want to tell their friends or they want to tell out to other people that see my analysis is right. See what I've said about this stock is right. So they always wanted to be right. So this being right is been there in human mind for since childhood. So like you get marks, you get good marks when you're right, right? So from starting our childhood, being right is the most important factor when it comes considering the overall psychology of humans. So we try to apply the same rules with respect to trading also. So that is why more than making profits, as a trader psychology, they always wanted to be right most of the time. That is why winning accuracy plays a vital role. So if you are given a system, a trading system to a person, say suppose that system is going to give you enormous profits, huge profit. But if the winning accuracy of that system is only 20% or 30%, then even though on the long run it is going to give him profits, but definitely he'll find it really hard sticking to that strategy. Because if you are taking 10 trades, 7 trades going to end up in loss, only 3 trades are going to end up in profits, but that 3 trades is going to give you enormous profit. So that is why on the long run he is going to end up in profits. But on a day-to-day basis, when someone trades that kind of a trading system, it is very difficult to stick to that system because of the continuous losing streaks. So that is why you need to choose a trading system, or you need to try to trade which is having a reasonable winning accuracy. And when you see it in social media or in Google, if you just Google about high winning accuracy system, you will see a lot of high winning accuracy ads. 99% winning accuracy, 100% sure shot, or 98% winning accuracy system. Those things doesn't exist. So if you are trying to look for such kind of high winning accuracy trading system which is going to give you huge profits, that is not there. So don't try to waste your time and money in such kind of system. That is not at all there in trading. So first, the chart that you're seeing is nothing but a stock called trend stock. It's a monthly time frame stock where I've selected monthly time frame. So when you're trying to trade, first thing is you need to have multiple confirmations. So if you wanted to have a winning accuracy, you need to have multiple confirmations stating that okay, this specific stock is in uptrend. So how do we do that? So that is following a top-down approach, which is nothing but first check a bigger time frame, which is kind of a monthly time frame chart, and see what is the overall trend of this stock currently. So currently, as you could see, this stock till 2017 was totally flat, but post 2017 it started going up. So all the way from just 100 rupees, it is trying trading around 2200 rupees. That is more than 20x of overall returns in the last 10 years. But currently our expectation is okay, I'm going to trade this stock. I wanted to have multiple confirmations that this stock is an uptrend. So first I'm checking a monthly time frame that shows okay, it is an uptrend. So larger time frame is an uptrend. Now I'm going to check the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame is also on the same path, which is on uptrend. So okay, now let me check the overall daily uptrend. So even with respect to daily uptrend, it is still the uptrend is still intact. In fact, it has made new 52-week high recently. So all our larger time frame states that this specific stock is an uptrend. Now I'll go to a 30 minutes chart, and then I'll check how the overall trend behaves. Now what happens is, during this lower time frame, if the stock gives you a kind of a downtrend like this, then don't take any kind of short trades. You should take only long trades with this stock. Even though if it goes downtrend, don't take short trades, because on the longer time frame this stock is in very strong uptrend. So what we have to do is we just have to wait for the uptrend to emerge. Once it starts giving an uptrend signal, then just go ahead and buy it. For an example, if you wanted to apply a super trend indicator, if you could see, there was a sell signal here and again there was a sell signal here. So you don't take a short trades whenever it gives you a red bar or sell signals. Instead, take only the buy trades. So even if you're following an intraday time frame like 5 minutes or whatever it is, you just follow these kind of buy signals. Don't take any short signals, because in the longer time frame, when the market is bullish, even on the shorter time frame, if it gives you any kind of bearish signal like this, it will weaken out. It will not be going to go down forever, or for a longer period of time. So all you have to do is to increase your overall winning accuracy. If you are just trying to go long and go short based on super trend, try to go long only and avoid short trades, because on the long trends, if the particular stock is in down or uptrend, these downtrend on the shorter time frame will not sustain. So what you have to do is to increase the winning accuracy, follow the larger time frame, and apply the same kind of trend method in the shorter time frame. And the next rule is to buy near support zones. See, if you wanted to increase the overall winning accuracy of a system, there is a high probability that whenever a particular stock which is in strong uptrend, when it comes near support zone like this, the lines that you see, these are the support zones. Whenever it comes near that support zone, you can buy it and it would definitely bounce back. So people who wanted to play a mean reversion system, or people who wanted to get in and get out quickly for a few amount of fixed targets, they can easily buy near the support levels. Whenever a stock comes near the support levels, it will start bouncing back up few points or few percentage. So you can simply buy near the support zone, and when it bounces back, you just book your profits. So buying near the support zone also helps you in increasing your overall winning accuracy. And one more thing is, most of the people give too much importance to winning accuracy. But I would say, don't look winning accuracy as the one of the most important factors. Along with winning accuracy, you need to consider the overall risk reward ratio. Let me explain with an example. See, the image that you're seeing right now is three different trading strategies. The strategy A is having 90% winning accuracy, and strategy B is having only 10% winning accuracy, and strategy C is having a 50-50 winning accuracy, right? So now, given this scenario, most of the traders will opt for 90% winning accuracy, because out of 10 trades, everybody wants to be right most of the time. So this system, if you're taking 10 trades, 9 trades it is going to give you profits. Only one trade it is going to give you loss. So what happens is, say consider kind of a short selling system, an option selling system on expiry days, where people short few rupees of options, where shorting 5 rupees or shorting 10 rupees options on expiry day, expecting it to go to zero, right? So most of the time when you see a specific options trading around 2 rupees or 3 rupees at 3 o'clock, in next half an hour market is going to expire. So what they'll think is, okay, this 2 rupees 3 rupees option is going to go to zero, let me short that and make a few rupees of profits. So they'll short it and make profits. So this kind of system, on an average, it can give you a profit of 1000 rupees. So most of them will be happy. Okay, I am happy if I make 1000 rupees profit every day. What they'll do, they'll keep making 1000 rupees profit every day, seeing, okay, this is given 90% winning accuracy. Now when the loss happens, it can be 10 times of what's their average profit is. The average profit is 1000 rupees, and the average loss could be 10,000 rupees, because even though it is having 90% winning accuracy, the remaining 10% when the loss happens, it can be very big. That is when most of the people, irrespective of having a 90% winning accuracy, can lose money. So if you consider the overall expectancy of this specific 90% winning accuracy system, after 100 trades, now this guy is going to end up losing 10,000 rupees. So that is what it shows. So the table shows average profit, average loss. So after 100 trades, he end up making 90,000 profits on considering the average profit. Considering the average loss, he ended up losing almost 1 lakh. So altogether, after 100 trades, in spite of having a 90% winning accuracy, this is a negative expectancy system. Now, no matter how much you are going to trade, on the long run, you are going to end up losing money. So trading this 90% winning accuracy system with such a bad risk reward ratio doesn't matter. Now let's come to the next system, which is 10% winning accuracy. So this system is like, if you're taking 10 trades, 9 trades you're going to lose money, but that one trade you're going to make huge profits. That is what it is. The average profit on a winning trade, it can give you 10,000 rupees profit. But on a loss, it can give you 1000 rupees loss. It is like now trading a option buying system on expiry, where you buy the same 2 rupees 3 rupees option, expecting that to go to 30 rupees or 40 rupees at one point of time. It's kind of a zero or hero or zero kind of strategy, right? Most people do that. So when you try to buy such kind of no options trading at 2 rupees and 3 rupees, expecting it to go big, it will not no double, triple, or give you now 1000% returns every expiry. But one expiry or the other expiry, when market moves exponentially, you're going to make such kind of huge returns. So this system, after 100 trades, it is given a positive expectancy, which is nothing but it is given 10,000 rupees profit after 100 trades, considering that kind of risk reward ratio. So a system which is having only 10% winning accuracy can still give you profits on the long run, but psychologically this specific system is very, very hard to trade. So in the back test it can give you very good profits, but on the real time, once you face 3 back-to-back loss or 4 back-to-back loss, you lose conviction in the system, then you might stop trading it. So even though mathematically it is a good strategy, psychologically it is a bad strategy to trade. So coming to the last one, which is having the 50% of winning accuracy, where 50% you will make profits, 50% you might lose profits. But here the risk reward ratio is 1:2, where the average loss is 1000, whereas average profit is 2000. You are making 2 times of your loss in a profitable trade. So in the earlier one, trading system B, it is having 1:10 risk reward ratio, where you lose 1000 rupees, but you make 10,000 rupees profit. So the risk reward ratio is much higher, but winning accuracy is much lower. Here, risk reward ratio is very normal, which is 1:2. So you have winning accuracy of only 50%. But with this system, the trading C system, if you consider what is the overall profits after 100 trades, it has given you 50,000 rupees profit. So system A, system B, system C, considering all these three, system C, which is having only 50% winning accuracy, can give you huge profits in the long run because it is having a risk reward ratio of 1:2 with just 50% accuracy. So this is all matters. So when you try to focus on building a trading system, don't just go for high winning accuracy system. Even with 50% winning accuracy system, you can make definitely huge profits with a better risk reward ratio. See, this is another risk reward ratio and win rate table. So the left one is nothing but what is the overall risk reward ratio: 1:1, 2:1, 3:1, 4:1, 5:1. Which means that if you are risking 1000 rupees, you are going to make 1000 rupees. That is 1:1. If you are risking 1000 rupees, you are going to make 2000 rupees. That is the risk reward ratio of 2:1. Similarly, 1:5 is nothing but you are risking 1000 rupees, but when you are right, you are going to make 5000 rupees. When you are wrong, you are going to lose only 1000 rupees. So this is the risk reward ratio. Now you will have a winning accuracy on the on the upside, which is on the x-axis, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, right? So if you are having a risk reward ratio of 1:1, you need to have at least 50% winning accuracy to break even, to become and to become profitable, you need to have 60% winning accuracy. But if you have a winning accuracy like the one which I've explained in the previous example, where with minimal of 1:2 risk reward ratio, then even with 40% winning accuracy, you can make very good profits. And if you're having a winning accuracy of 1:3, where risking 1000 rupees, but you get a reward of 3000 rupees, then even with 30% winning accuracy, you can still be profitable. But if you consider the last table, which is 1:5 risk reward ratio, even with 20% accuracy, you can still make profits. So the risk reward ratio and the win rate go hand in hand. So all you have to do is check your risk reward ratio before checking or before giving importance to the overall winning accuracy of a system. And also considering different kind of trading strategies. For an example, if you are doing an option selling system, then it can easily give you 60%, 70% winning accuracy. Even it can give you as high as 80% winning accuracy, because the risk reward ratio is limited in option selling system. So that is why you have higher winning accuracy in option selling, and that is why more and more people are doing option selling, because they are right most of the time. With option buying, you can't expect 70%, 80% returns as long as you use a fixed target. If you use a fixed target, then option buying system can also give you such kind of huge winning accuracy, because people try to come out with very little profits. But in general, if you're no pure option buyer, then the maximum winning accuracy can be anywhere between 30 to 40% only. Because option buying works on Pareto principle, which is 80% of your overall profits will come from less than 20% of your trades. So obviously you need to take each and every trade, but one trade or those few trades, it is going to give you huge profits in markets moves big time, right? But option selling is, on the other hand, time is money for option selling. As long as an option decays over an expiry, they make profit. But option buying needs huge movement in the markets, which is very rare. So that is why you have a very less accuracy in option buying and you have a high winning accuracy in option selling. So to increase the overall winning accuracy of a system, follow whatever the things that I have suggested in this video. I'm sure definitely it is going to help you out. So keep in mind, winning accuracy and risk reward ratio goes hand in hand. That is how you can make profits in the long run with any kind of trading system. So I hope you found this video really helpful. In case if you guys have any questions, please post it in the comment section. I'll address.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.